First, ensure your fake AirPods are charged. A full battery ensures a smoother connection. Next, activate Bluetooth on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner to access settings. Open the AirPods case and press the button on the back until the LED light flashes white. Your iPhone will display the AirPods in the list of available devices. Tap on their name to connect. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation sound. This means your AirPods are ready to use. Enjoy your music or calls without the hassle, fully connected to your device. If you don't see your AirPods, make sure they are close to your iPhone. Connection distance matters. If they still don't appear, reset your AirPods. Hold the button for about 15 seconds until the light turns amber. Restart your iPhone if the issue persists. Sometimes a simple reboot does the trick. Double check that your iPhone software is up to date, ensuring compatibility. Finally, if all else fails, consult the instructions provided with your fake AirPods for specific guidance. With these tips, you're ready to enjoy your fake AirPods effortlessly.